Today, we will talk about how to stop wisdom tooth pain fast. Let's have a look at the details. The wisdom teeth, also known as the third molars, are the last of your permanent teeth to come in. When wisdom teeth come in, they erupt through the gums, which can be painful in certain situations. You can also experience wisdom tooth pain if they grow sideways or crooked, if they grow too far to the side to cause them to push other teeth, or if your teeth are in any other way misaligned. There are multiple ways to stop pain caused by wisdom teeth. The first method is using medicine. Use numbing gels. If your teeth are giving you issues, you can use numbing gels on your gums. Don't swallow the gel if possible, but spit the excess out instead. Try over-the-counter pain medication. When your tooth aches, you can take over-the-counter pain medication to help. These medications include aspirin, ibuprofen, acetaminophen, and naproxen. Avoid overusing medications. If you are in a lot of pain, be careful not to overuse either the gels or pain medications. Using too much gel with benzocaine can cause a rare but serious issue called methemoglobinemia, which is a deadly illness in which the oxygen levels your blood can carry are decreased. The second method is trying home remedies. Use a soft toothbrush. When you are suffering from tooth pain, this will be gentler on your gums. Massage your gums. This will help alleviate the pain and ease the teeth through your gums. Use an ice pack. If you are experiencing pain, try holding an ice cube or some crushed ice on the tooth. This will only work if the tooth is not sensitive to cold. Treat with salt water. To make a gargle, stir 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt into 4 ounces of warm water until it dissolves. Use apple cider vinegar. Mix 1/4 cup of warm water and apple cider vinegar. Hold the solution in your mouth over the painful tooth for 30 to 60 seconds. You can do this 3 to 4 times a day, but do not swallow the water-vinegar mixture. Try fresh salves. There are some fresh ingredients that you use to help with tooth pain. Cut a small piece of garlic, onion, or ginger. Place it in your mouth, directly over your painful tooth. Use essential oils. Essential oils can help with your tooth pain. Use these on your fingers, then massage them into your gums with your fingers. Treat pain with a tea bag. Tea has properties that can help with your pain. To make a tea compress, soak an herbal tea bag in warm water. Once the tea is steeped, put the tea bag over the tooth. Keep it in place for 5 minutes. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a day while you're in pain. Try chilled food. One way to help with pain is to use chilled pieces of food. You can put chilled pieces of cucumber or raw potato on your tooth. You can also use a frozen piece of fruit, such as a banana, apple, guava, pineapple, or mango. Make an asafoetida paste. Asafoetida is a plant used in Indian cooking and traditional medicine. To make the paste, mix 1/4 teaspoon of the powder with enough fresh lemon juice to make a paste. Once it is mixed fully, apply the paste on your wisdom tooth and around the gum. Leave it on your gum for 5 minutes. And the third method is understanding wisdom teeth. Learn about wisdom teeth. Wisdom teeth are the last permanent teeth to come in, with 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. They generally show up between the ages of 17 and 25. Not every person gets wisdom teeth, and not all eruptions of wisdom teeth cause pain. Know the causes of the pain. There are situations that do make wisdom teeth cause pain. This can happen if they grow in at an angle. Other issues are infection, tumors, cysts, damage to neighboring teeth, tooth decay, constant pain in your jaw, and gum disease. See your dentist. If you keep experiencing pain after you try home remedies, visit your dentist. If you have intense pain, develop bad breath, have any swallowing difficulties, have a fever, or experience any gum, mouth, or jaw swelling, see your dentist immediately. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.